Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you all are fine and doing well. Today I'm here to tell you people about role in ZamaSchool and how to create it. So first we will talk about that what is role and how it works and what are the advantages of that. As in each school, we have different staff members and each staff member has their own task. For example, fees module. If you want to give only fees access, similarly if you want to give only exam access. So fees staff member can only see fees related details. An exam staff member can only access to exam related detail. Both will not have access to each other's data. Similarly, account module have only access to account related data. For the security purposes, if you want to hide payment related detail from all staff members, then you can do it easily by creating specific role for each staff member. Now how to create this role in ZamaSchool software? Let's do a practice of it today. First of all, we need to open admin module, then click on roles. We need to create new role here, so just click on add new role button. Now task of this role to only deal exam related data, so I will give it name, exam and description. You can type anything, let's say only deal exam related stuff. Now the main task is here. We will need to give access to this role, like what access you want to give to this role, and when user log in, after assign this role to him, he will only see exam module, nothing else. So let me give access to this role. Let's say this user can view exam, add exam, update exam, delete exam. So other all modules access are hidden from this role. Now when I click on save button, this role will be created. As you can see, admin, it deals complete administration fees module, only can deal with fees, and exam module only can deal with exams. When role is created successfully, then we will need to create user for this role. How to create user? Just click on user, then click on add new user button. We will need to enter username. Let's say Fazal. For email, let's say fazal@gmail.com. Now this username is the name on which user is going to be logged in. Let's say Fazal, or you can type anything. Password. Let's say Fazal. This is your choice. You can type anything, but this is important to remember as it is required on login time. Role, the one we have created. As you can see, list of all roles are here. Now if I click on fees module, then this user will have only access to fees module. If I click on exam, then this user will have access to exam module. And if I click on admin, then this user will have access to admin. For example, I want to give access only to the exam, so I will click on exam. Now here are list of campuses. If your school have more than one campus, then you can give access to specific campus for this user. Also, you can give access to multiple campuses. Now I will activate this user. When I click on save user button, then this user is created successfully. As you can see, name, email and then password. Okay, now what is the purpose and advantage of this user creation? Let me show you. I will log out when come to login page. So instead of administration, I will log in on that newly created user. For example, user Fazal, password Fazal, the one which I have created. When I click on login button, then I have only access to exam module. Means this user can create exam and also exam papers and anything else related to exam. In short, this user can only work on exam module. So from this we can conclude that multiple users can use ZamaSchool software easily. Now when this user finish his work, he can log out from here easily. I hope that after watching this video, it will be easy to create role and then create user for that role in ZamaSchool software without any issue. If still have any issue, please contact us on my mobile number. Here it is 0333 941 4361. WhatsApp and IMO also available on this number. Also contact us on PTCL number 0946 724 295. Thank you so much for watching this video and for being with me.